The process to add another AxiomAir to your home AxiomAir network is identical to the way that you set up your first unit. There are some tips and tricks though to make it go smoothly. The first thing is always make sure that you've named the first AxiomAir, the one that you currently have and that's set up on your home network. So if we look at the interface here, or the app, and scroll down, you can see that I have an AxiomAir here named AW1 that's on my local Wi-Fi network. So make sure that you've named it. The other thing that you should do is actually turn that unit off. During the process where you're going to add the second one, it'll go a lot smoother if there's no other AxiomAirs currently powered up and sitting on the network. So to turn it off, we can simply go to the gear icon at the top right of the app or interface, click on Shutdown, and click Power Off. And now that AW1 AxiomAir will turn itself off. So let's exit out of here, and what you want to do is take your new second, third, fourth, whatever AxiomAir that it is, power it up, make sure that you've got the flashing blue LED saying that it's ready to be configured on your network, and then you can use any technique to configure it and put it on your home Wi-Fi network that you'd like to use. We have a number of setup videos that go over this for different devices. As an example, I'm going to set this new AxiomAir up using my iPhone. So we'll go into Settings here, and we'll click on Wi-Fi. And what you will see is Set Up New AirPlay Speaker has appeared. And that's our second AxiomAir. That's not the AW1 unit that we had originally, because it's now powered off and already set up. So let's click on this new AxiomAir. It's asking, it's going to set it up on my home network here, that's Bell 167, and at this point I'm going to change the name and I'm going to make it AW2 so we can know which one that we're going to be connecting with. I'm going to click Next at the top right, and after a little bit of configuration, we should get a pop-up notice saying that it's been added successfully and joined our Bell 167 Wi-Fi network.